What's up, guys? So today I'm bringing you guys another unboxing. I'm wearing the same sweater as my previous video. I already explained it there that I was gonna do a two-part video. The other one being my Adidas employee store pickup, and then this was gonna be the unboxing that I got from, I think it was Go. Pretty sure it was from Go. I usually buy a lot of my shoes from Go, and let's get to it. So right here, I got the package. Not really bad. I'm pretty sure this is from Go. Or maybe it's from somewhere. I don't know. Let's open it and let's find out. Let's see. Where is my? Put my All right. So just here we go. Got the shoe. I honestly don't know which one this one is, but we're gonna find out. Let's see. Okay, so here, retail 90. It's a pair of Air Jordan 1 fat lows. You guys can see that, size 10.5. Got the old school black Jordan box with the silver Jumpman. Put the box here. See that? Not too bad, Royal mids. Now they kind of came out with another one, a recent release kind of, but these aren't too bad. No heel drag. I don't know if this is the original shoe tree, probably not, but it's not a big deal. Got that GOAT verification card. That all the boxes come with that. Got the sticker to the list. And here we got the shoe. Not bad. These originally released, I think it was 06. Let's see. Yep, 2008 actually. Okay. I mean, overall, it's not a bad shoe. You guys can tell. You probably just need to get cleaned up a little bit. Air Jordan 1s, you can't go wrong. It's a classic sneaker, classic, the royal blue. It's a classic colorway. All these need to do is get decreased, cleaned up. Doesn't look like the leather needs to really get touched up. Not even the black. I mean, overall, I think for a shoe that's this old, it is definitely not bad quality wise. Pretty satisfied. I mean, if I had the newer version, I would compare it, but I don't. This is actually the first one that I got. It's a pair of lows. I don't really wear lows. It's definitely a great cop. I don't know if you guys copped any of the new lows that came out last year. I know they had the, I think, court purple lows, pine greens. They came out with the royal Chicago colorway. I think they came out with like a yellow. I know that they did the Go toes. I don't know if you guys copped any of those. I'm personally not a lows one fan, but I had to cop those. Go always got good deals. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Should I do a video on restoring these, even though they're not really too bad? They're only creased up heavily, but it's a pair of ones. Should I do a restoration video on those? I may not. But comment, like, subscribe, keep watching my content. I'm coming out here making as many videos as I can, with the time. I'm gonna do as much as I can here and there, and I'll see you guys in my next video.